everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you amazing rustic outdoor kitchen decor ideas and tips for creating warm and inviting outdoor living space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Rustic outdoor kitchen decor is a style that is both warm and inviting. It is perfect for those who want to create a space where they can relax and entertain guests while enjoying the beauty of nature. Rustic outdoor kitchens often feature natural materials such as wood, stone, and brick. They also tend to have a more casual and relaxed feel than traditional kitchens. So, what is rustic outdoor kitchen decor actually? Rustic outdoor kitchen decor is a style that is inspired by the natural world. It often features natural materials such as wood, stone, and brick. Rustic outdoor kitchens also tend to have a more casual and relaxed feel than traditional kitchens. What benefits of rustic outdoor kitchen decor? There are many benefits to having a rustic outdoor kitchen. First, it is a great way to enjoy the outdoors while cooking and entertaining. Second, rustic outdoor kitchens can be very stylish and add to the overall value of your home. Third, rustic outdoor kitchens are often more affordable than traditional kitchens. What color is best for rustic outdoor kitchen? The best color for a rustic outdoor kitchen is one that complements the natural materials that you are using. Some popular colors include: first, wood. Natural wood tones such as cedar, pine, and redwood are all great choices for rustic outdoor kitchens. Second, stone. Natural stone colors such as gray, tan, and brown are also good choices for rustic outdoor kitchens. Third, brick. Red brick is a classic choice for rustic outdoor kitchens. How do you style a rustic outdoor kitchen? There are a few key things to keep in mind when styling a rustic outdoor kitchen. First, use natural materials. Wood, stone, and brick are all great choices for rustic outdoor kitchens. Second, choose a relaxed and casual feel. Rustic outdoor kitchens should have a more casual and relaxed feel than traditional kitchens. Third, add personal touches. Don't be afraid to add personal touches to your rustic outdoor kitchen, such as family heirlooms or vintage pieces. How do you make a modern outdoor kitchen look rustic? If you have a modern outdoor kitchen, there are a few things you can do to make it look more rustic. First, add wood accents. Adding wood accents to your modern outdoor kitchen is a great way to make it look more rustic. You can add wood beams to the ceiling, wood countertops, or even a wood backsplash. Second, use natural stone. Natural stone is another great way to add a rustic touch to your modern outdoor kitchen. You can use natural stone for the flooring, countertops, or even the backsplash. Third, add vintage pieces. Adding vintage pieces to your modern outdoor kitchen is another great way to make it look more rustic. You can find vintage kitchenware, furniture, and even appliances at flea markets and thrift stores. What should you put in an outdoor rustic kitchen? When planning your rustic outdoor kitchen, there are a few key things you should include. First, a grill. A grill is a must-have for any outdoor kitchen. It is the perfect way to cook burgers, steaks, and other outdoor favorites. Second, a refrigerator. A refrigerator is another essential for any outdoor kitchen. It is a great way to keep your food and drinks cold on hot summer days. Third, a sink. A sink is important for any kitchen, whether it is indoors or outdoors. It is a great way to wash your hands and dishes. Fourth, storage space. You will need storage space for your cooking utensils, dishes, and other kitchen supplies. Fifth, seating area. An outdoor dining area is the perfect place to enjoy your meals with friends and family. And finally, to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 best rustic outdoor kitchen decor ideas. 1. Wood countertops. Wood countertops are a great way to add a rustic touch to your outdoor kitchen. They're also durable and easy to maintain. 2. Stone backsplash. A stone backsplash is another great way to add a rustic touch to your outdoor kitchen. It's also easy to clean and protects the walls from grease and grime. 3. Galvanized metal sink. A galvanized metal sink is a great way to add a rustic touch to your outdoor kitchen. It's also durable and easy to clean. 4. Vintage lantern. A vintage lantern is a great way to add a rustic touch to your outdoor kitchen. It's also a great source of light for nighttime entertaining. 5. Hanging plants. Hanging plants are a great way to add a touch of greenery to your outdoor kitchen. They also help to purify the air. 6. String lights. String lights are a great way to add a festive touch to your outdoor kitchen. They're also a great way to light up the space at night. 7. Outdoor rug. An outdoor rug can help to define the space of your outdoor kitchen and make it more inviting. It also helps to protect your patio or deck from dirt and grime. 8. Fire pit. A fire pit is a great way to add warmth and ambience to your outdoor kitchen. It's also a great place to gather with friends and family on cool evenings. 9. Pizza oven. A pizza oven is a great way to add a touch of fun to your outdoor kitchen. It's also a great way to cook up delicious pizzas for your guests. 10. Outdoor bar. An outdoor bar is a great way to make your outdoor kitchen more functional and entertaining friendly. It's also a great place to relax and enjoy a drink with friends. Rustic outdoor kitchen decor is a great way to create a warm and inviting space where you can relax and entertain guests. By following the tips above, you can create a rustic outdoor kitchen that is both stylish and functional. If you are looking for more inspiration for rustic outdoor kitchen decor, be sure to check out the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel. We have a variety of videos that can help you create the perfect rustic outdoor kitchen for your home. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing rustic outdoor kitchen decor ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.